What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you all how to summer prune your citrus trees. Most citrus trees ripen their crops in late fall, early winter, and the bulk of pruning should be done post-harvest, which is going to be late winter, early spring. That is the best time to prune your citrus trees. Outside of this time, you should do minimal pruning, aside from light maintenance pruning here and there, just to keep the trees in balance. Summer pruning your citrus trees is generally not recommended because at this time of year, your citrus trees are carrying a crop. You don't want to remove all that much wood because you will take your fruits with it. And also, pruning in the summer can expose the canopy of the tree to sun scald when the sun is very intense. But there are two exceptions. The first exception is the removal of any dead, diseased, or damaged branches. It is very common in most climates during winter that some wood on your citrus tree will get damaged in the cold, and this dead wood will be clearly evident by summer. Now is a good time to take a look over your tree and remove any dead or dying wood that you see. The second exception is the removal of water sprouts, which are fast-growing vertical shoots that outpace any of the other trees' growth. Ideally, you would remove these water sprouts when they are small, but let's face it, we aren't really checking our citrus trees much this time of year, and they can pop up and grow massively overnight. Here is an example of a water sprout on a citrus tree right here. This is growing right out of the top, straight up vertically on this citrus tree. We want to remove that water sprout. We do not want it there. So let's go ahead and get rid of them. So now that citrus tree right there has been leveled, and we got rid of that unsightly vertical growth. So aside from these two things, you should mostly leave your citrus trees alone and save the real pruning for post-harvest in late winter, early spring. For a complete guide on pruning citrus trees during that time of year, I will link to a video both above and down in the video description that will show you everything you need to know. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip.
If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.